What if your rough sketches could transform into stunning eye artwork in seconds? Today, I'm breaking down my complete workflow using Adobe Firefly's image generator, and you can use this exact method right now. Start with a rough sketch, digital or photographed. The key is clarity of composition and proportions. You don't need perfection. Firefly works with your intent. Upload it to Firefly's image generator. This foundation guides the eye's creative direction while leaving room for enhancement and detail refinement. Your prompt is everything. Be specific, describe style, mood, lighting, and quality. Instead of beautiful landscape, try photorealistic mountain landscape, golden hour lighting, dramatic shadows, Unreal Engine quality, reference artists, art movements. Unreal Engine quality. This precision transforms your sketch into your vision while maintaining the original composition. Firefly's strength lies in iteration. Generate multiple variations, then refine the best one. Adjust prompts, tweak settings, and blend outputs. This workflow bridges traditional art and IDR. Creative direction controls everything while the tool handles technical execution perfectly. This sketch-to-eye approach respects artistic intent while leveraging technology. You maintain creative control, experiment fearlessly, and produce gallery-worthy results faster. Perfect for designers, under deadline, or artists exploring new styles. Your personal touch remains central throughout the entire process. Hit subscribe for more art workflows and creative prompting secrets. Drop a comment. You'll be Firefly first. Hit subscribe for more will you create with Firefly first.